Lang nakabisado mark siya.
Matcha.
Yung ano, maganda yun.
Ayan na naman yun.
You want to try
Ito
the red
yung-
one?
Two of you.
Sometimes they have espresso.
That's how you...
Til-til na taro.
What do you call it?
Yeah, she's gonna put the...
Okay.
Ito yung unique one. This one, right?
Ilalaba pa ba natin yung mga pantalon na...
Let's try this.
No.
This is glazed something. There's also
That's
taro.
okay. You got taro?
Yeah, this is
That's
another.
Fruit Loops. That's Fruit Loops.
In case of emergency.
It's like too many flavors mixed in.
Siya, dati lang nakabisado mark siya. Ganda ito yung leche.
Ikwata yung
Yung leche.
ito tayo kumama ka dakwa. Makita da klaring sa atin, baka kaya damot.
Okay.
Not a fan of that one.
Di ay?
No, she's
Ano, tiduwa,